G'day guys, Rob from Yamaha. Now, we all know the best place for an outboard is out on the water, but for those times when you can't have it out on the water or you're heading on a long distance trip to your next destination, we've got you covered. Now, the great thing about these full outboard covers is they actually come in two pieces, making it super easy to fit. And once you do get it on, they're made of all the highest quality materials, zippers and Velcros, so that once it's on, it stays on, you've got nothing to worry about. So naturally, the easiest way to go is start at the top and work your way down. So it's as simple as just slipping this cover over and making sure both sides are down. So onto the bottom section, you can see it's got really high quality Velcro here. That just fits straight underneath here, so it's nice and tight and it's never going to go anywhere. So over your leg and your prop, pull it forward slightly, and then just start fitting up your Velcro. Make sure that's nice and tight down the bottom. And once this is all fitted, you grab the big tab here, loop it underneath your power trim, and it comes straight through here. Another nice big Velcro tab. You're ready to go. So as easy as this goes on, when you're ready for it to, it comes off just as easy. So once you hit the ramp and you're ready to go, this thing will fold away, store nice and easily and not take up too much room. Just like the Yamaha cowling covers, these full covers are designed specifically for your outboard, so you know they're going to fit perfectly and keep your outboard safe from the elements, whether it's parked at home or on a long haul trip. Now for this and plenty more Yamaha genuine accessories, pop in and see your local Yamaha dealer or purchase online at shopyamaha.com.au.